I work in the bake shop at Hillenbrand. I started at Cary Quad and then went to Tarkington, and now I'm at Hillenbrand.
She's always there. What really amazes me with her is like when she starts a recipe, she finishes it. Not only the recipe, like, she knows that, she plans ahead, and she just finished what she started. That's really,
So if Tammy Fidler can kind of stand up and we can give you a round of applause. Yay, Tammy. First of all, congratulations that you've worked at Purdue for over 30 years. That in and of itself is remarkable. Serving in your food service role in Hillenbrand. And really, I think that the things that have come out here are really about your dedication and your commitment, about finishing what you start, not going home until the job's done, really helping all of the students and your coworkers and everybody that you're around reach the best that they can be.
Surprised, but then at the same time, it's just humbling and honor of, it's just such an honor. I think the coworkers motivate me a lot. Like, just when everybody comes in and they, just start getting busy on all the work, and it's a lot of teamwork. So that really, just motivates me to get going because everybody helps each other. I was just surprised, and I'm just I'm really proud to be working at Purdue University.